morning. So the door is finished, but before I show to you, well, you kind of see it, but you look at that, we have a rainbow this morning. I don't know if you see it. It's right there somewhere. So yeah, so this is the patio door. I just need to paint the patio. The door, I'll probably do that tonight. White, and paint this one here so it looks good when it's open. So I'm gonna paint the side of the inside of the door the same color as the outside. So it's gonna be nice when it's open. So I'm gonna leave it open all the time. I slept with the door open last night. I slept with the door open last night and it was nice. I got with the AC up to below 68. So it was. It's always very cool. Obviously, as long as we do the siding, the insulation on the outside. When we do that, then during the day it's going to be nice. But during the day it gets hot. It gets in the 80s, 84. You know. So yeah, but it's coming along. So I did the siding yesterday. Let me show you. So I started the siding, so I will leave the door open. Where there's a gap here, I'm gonna put another window right there, and then further down the way, down the container right here, I'm gonna have my main entrance right here. But before, I need to build the cistern here. I finished the enclosure. I'm gonna put like a lock, so this way we can go and have access to the septic to add the chlorine tablet and dechlorine tablet, because it's aerobic septic or mechanical septic as they call it, because you inject air in the second chamber and then also a mechanical arm that kind of turns things around, so it bubbles up and it takes care of it. So we I also planted a couple coconuts, palm trees. Actually, one coconut that Mark gave me, and I planted 4 palm trees. So hopefully they'll survive, because I didn't have a chance to do the water sprinkler system, but it's the season now, raining season, so yeah, so we should be good. All right, now I'm just preparing things for the plumber to come and finish the things up. Now it's filming. I'm gonna weld. I already did 7 of them. I have to do 11, so I'm halfway there. You hear the music, you know? Just stay over there. Started. Have to open it first. No, it's open. It's open. Okay. I will rest the plywood on this so it doesn't put straight on the sidewall. So the plywood's going to sit there, and I'm going to just drill it, and it'll be all good. Let's keep on going. Okay, that's good. 8 p.m. Sunday night. The sound went down. It's almost empty. Just a few more people, and that's it. Yeah, it's no big deal for me.